Unlock your brain's full potential. Did you know your brain can decline with age? Let's change that together. Discover 5 natural ways to boost your brain health today and maintain mental sharpness for years to come. Let's talk about the importance of brain health. Our brains are the control centers for everything we do, from thinking and remembering to moving and feeling. As we age, it's natural for our cognitive function to decline. This can manifest as memory lapses, difficulty concentrating, or even more severe issues like dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Understanding cognitive decline is crucial. It doesn't just affect our ability to remember names or where we left our keys. It impacts our overall quality of life. Cognitive decline can lead to frustration, decreased independence, and a diminished sense of well-being. That's why it's so important to take proactive steps to support our brain health. Why focus on natural methods? While there are medications and treatments available, natural approaches often come with fewer side effects and can be easily incorporated into our daily routines. Natural strategies not only aim to enhance brain function but also contribute to overall physical health. By adopting these methods, you can feel more empowered and in control of your cognitive well-being. In this video, we'll explore 5 natural ways to boost your brain health. These actionable steps will help you maintain mental clarity, improve memory, and enjoy a better quality of life. So let's dive in and discover how you can take charge of your brain health today. So, what exactly is cognitive function? Cognitive function encompasses the mental processes that allow us to carry out any task, from the simplest to the most complex. This includes memory, attention, language, problem-solving, and decision-making. Essentially, it's how we process information and navigate the world around us. As we age, cognitive function naturally declines. This decline can start as early as our 30s and becomes more noticeable in our 50s and 60s. Factors like stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, and inadequate sleep can accelerate this decline. The good news is that there are ways to slow down this process and even improve cognitive function. Here are 5 key strategies for enhancing brain health. Incorporate omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are crucial for brain health and can be found in foods like fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. Engage in regular exercise. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain and supports the growth of new neurons. Practice mindfulness and meditation. These practices reduce stress and improve focus and memory. Maintain a balanced diet. Eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods supports overall brain function. Stay mentally active. Engage in activities that challenge your brain, such as puzzles, reading, or learning a new skill. By understanding these strategies and incorporating them into your daily routine, you can take meaningful steps toward maintaining and even enhancing your cognitive health. How to enhance brain health and cognitive function. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive deeper into how you can apply these strategies to your daily life for optimizing brain health and enhancing cognitive function. Incorporating omega-3 fatty acids. One essential aspect is incorporating omega-3 fatty acids into your diet. These healthy fats can be found in foods like salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts. Consider adding a serving of fatty fish to your meals a couple of times a week or sprinkling some chia seeds on your morning yogurt. Omega-3s are known for their brain-boosting properties, aiding in cognitive function and overall brain health. Establishing a consistent exercise routine. In addition to diet, your exercise routine plays a crucial role in brain health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This can be as simple as taking a brisk walk, going for a bike ride, or joining a dance class. Regular physical activity not only boosts blood flow to your brain, but also helps in maintaining cognitive function, reducing the risk of cognitive decline. Practicing mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation practices can significantly impact brain health. Start by dedicating 5-10 minutes each day to meditation. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Over time, you'll likely experience improvements in your focus, attention span, and stress levels. These practices promote mental clarity and emotional well-being, contributing to overall cognitive function. Maintaining a balanced diet. Another essential aspect is maintaining a balanced diet rich in nutrients vital for brain health. Ensure your meals include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Foods high in antioxidants, such as berries and leafy greens, are particularly beneficial for brain function. A well-rounded diet not only nourishes your body but also supports cognitive processes and brain function. Engaging in mentally stimulating activities. Keeping your mind active by engaging in mentally stimulating activities is key to maintaining cognitive function. Challenge your brain regularly by solving puzzles, reading books, or learning a new language. These activities stimulate neural pathways, enhance memory retention, and promote cognitive flexibility. By continuously challenging your brain, you can improve cognitive function and delay age-related cognitive decline. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can proactively enhance your brain health, boost cognitive function, and maintain mental sharpness well into your later years. Prioritizing these lifestyle factors can have a lasting positive impact on your overall brain health and well-being. Let's look at some real-life examples and practical tips to make these strategies easier to implement. Success stories. Meet Sarah, a 45-year-old teacher who started incorporating omega-3s into her diet by eating more salmon and walnuts. She noticed an improvement in her memory and overall mental clarity within a few months. Or take John, a 52-year-old engineer who began a daily exercise routine that included walking and light strength training. He found that his focus and problem-solving skills significantly improved. Simple recipes, rich in omega-3. For breakfast, try a smoothie with spinach, chia seeds, almond milk, and a handful of berries. For lunch, a salad with mixed greens, walnuts, avocado, and grilled salmon is both delicious and brain-boosting. These recipes are not only tasty, but also packed with the nutrients your brain needs. Easy meditation techniques. If you're new to meditation, start with guided sessions available on apps like Headspace or Calm. One simple technique is the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding exercise. Identify 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This helps bring your focus back to the present moment. I have included a link in the description bottom of this video explaining how you can practice this technique. By looking at these success stories and trying out these practical tips, you'll see how easy it can be to incorporate these brain-boosting strategies into your own life. Remember, small changes can lead to big improvements in your cognitive health over time. Let's recap the key takeaways from today's video on enhancing brain health and cognitive function naturally. First, we discussed the importance of brain health and how cognitive function encompasses essential mental processes like memory, attention, and problem-solving. Understanding that cognitive decline can begin as early as our 30s highlights the need for proactive steps. We then explored 5 natural strategies to boost brain health. Incorporate omega-3 fatty acids. Add foods like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts to your diet. Engage in regular exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Start with 5-10 minutes a day to reduce stress and improve focus. Maintain a balanced diet. Include a variety of nutrient-rich foods, especially those high in antioxidants. Stay mentally active. Challenge your brain with puzzles, reading, or learning new skills. We also saw how real people like Sarah and John have successfully improved their brain health through these methods. Simple recipes rich in omega-3s and easy meditation techniques can make a noticeable difference. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can take control of your cognitive well-being, maintain mental clarity, and enjoy a better quality of life. Remember, small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements over time. Feel empowered to take action today. Your brain health is within your control, and these natural methods can help you stay sharp and focused for years to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life.